Here's a little trick you may not know about. Let's suppose you get one of these big pieces of sandpaper and you need to cut it down. Sometimes you want to quarter it to put it on a power sander, or you want a smaller piece because if you use a big piece like this, when it wrinkles, the stones fall off and then you've ruined it. How do you cut it down? Well, you could grab a scissors and just start cutting away, but if you do that, you're going to ruin your scissors and have trouble cutting. Here's a quick, easy way to cut sandpaper. Get an old hacksaw blade and a piece of plywood and then tack it down. I'm just going to put this in here for temporary because this is a nice piece of plywood. So I'll go ahead and tack this down. And then to cut the sandpaper, what you do is I always like to put the rock side down, slide it underneath. And boy, I did such a good job of tacking that down. It's tight. You don't need to make it that tight. And I want to send some of these to my grandson, so I'll get it right like that. Hold it right here. Grab it by the top corner and a quick pull. There you go. And if you want to quarter it, obviously, you can slide it back through, go like this, hold it down. There you go. I hope that's something you can use.